Once upon a time, in a village surrounded by lush meadows far from the big cities, people lived in peace and animals roamed freely. Everyone knew each other and helped one another. There lived a man named Brave Kazan, beloved by all for his wisdom and kindness. His faithful companion was Karabaş, a shepherd dog who tended the flock and played with the children. One day, Karabaş vanished without a trace. The entire village searched for her until an elder revealed strange things have been happening in the northern dark mountains. At night, eerie sounds are heard. They say a 7-headed dragon lives there, stealing animals. Perhaps Karabaş has fallen into its clutches? Kazan, without hesitation, mounted his horse Zul Imik and set off with a technological device of his own invention. The children bid him farewell, shouting, "Brave Kazan, save Karabaş." Thus began a journey that would test his courage and ingenuity. The path was cold and treacherous, but Kazan pressed on. Upon reaching the mountains, he found a giant cave with dragon tracks and Karabaş's tiny paw prints. Inside, the darkness was absolute. His device detected a heat signature deep within. The dragon was there. Carefully, Kazan advanced until he saw Karabaş chained and beside her a sleeping 7-headed dragon. Each head breathed fire and its scales shimmered in the gloom. Kazan devised a plan to free his friend, but as he stepped on a stone, the dragon awoke. The beast's roar shook the cave. "Hold on, Karabaş," Kazan shouted, readying himself for battle. The dragon attacked with its 7 heads, spewing flames. Kazan used his wits, rolled a boulder to distract it, activated his device, emitting a piercing sound that stunned the dragon, hurled a special net, trapping one head, but the others remained free. Karabaş, with a final effort, broke her chains and ran to Kazan. "Run, friend!" he ordered, but she refused to leave him. Kazan then taunted the dragon, "Over here, you beast!" And, with a slingshot, loosened a massive stalactite from the ceiling. It crashed onto the dragon, dazing it. Both escaped just in time, but the beast still lived. At dawn, Kazan and Karabaş embraced, relieved. Upon their return, the villagers cheered, "Hooray, Kazan! Karabaş is safe!" The children petted the dog, while Kazan warned of the lingering dragon threat. The wise elder proposed using an ancient magical shield to seal the cave. Together, they placed it at the entrance, trapping the dragon forever. That night, the village celebrated around a bonfire. Kazan told the children, "Courage and cleverness can overcome any evil, but the greatest strength lies in protecting those you love." Under the stars, Kazan and Karabaş slept peacefully, their bond stronger than ever. Who knows what new adventures await them?